Hello, my name is Ángel José Castillo Posada. I will present my recipe, enchiladas.
Ingredients: core tortillas, 1 hat pig solid meat on chicken breast, 1 hat onion, 1 hat lettuce, 8 chilies guajillo, 2 chili serranos, 1 tomato, 1 garlic clove, cup milk, crumbled radishes, grated cheese, oil, salt. Preparation: in a hot pan, roast the chiles, serranos, tomato, and garlic. Cook the chicken or pork with onion and salt when cooking short. Roasted guajillo, chiles, and remojadas in milk. Then place them in a blender along with the milk and salt. Since the tomatoes, chili, and garlic are roasted, licuado with a little salt. Remember to remove the juice tomato. In a hot pan with a little oil, fry the shredded meat and add the crushed tomatoes. Let cook until the meat drains out a bit. In a skillet, add oil and it happens tortillas, one big one. When finished, we add tortilla in the chili powder with milk. Tortillas stuffed with meat and rolled up. Walk glassing red enchiladas in the dish in which you serve, and dip with cream cheese. Wash lettuce and radishes. Wash it and cut into pieces of lettuce. And garnish slide it final serving to taste. Finally, enjoy your meal. Thank you.